Hey YouTube, it's Mooney H here. My first video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. But today I am working on my Hummer H2, and some of you Hummer owners, you may experience where you get a water leak from inside the vehicle in the back. And I'm going to show you in a second where those leaks are coming from. So if you would get those leaks in the corner, like back up in here, that will drop down in the little pockets over on the side, your pockets on both sides, and it will generally leak from up top there. All right, but I'm going to show you where those leaks will come from. Let me move my light over here. So I've already taken apart the light housing that's in the corner. There's the light housing right here. But here is the light socket. There's a rubber grommet that sits underneath, and when it rains, the water comes through the little trail and it comes here. And as you can see, this grommet is not sealed, so you have water that gets up in there and drops down on the inside. But no worries, all you need to do is get you some 3M black super weather stripping and gasket adhesive. And you would just put that up in there. Put that adhesive back up in there. Seal it up. And you would then attach your light. So as you can see, I got the gasket sealed up in there. And my apologies, I'm working by myself. I had to put the camera down for a second and complete the seal. But give that some time to dry, and I'll show you the finished product. What I've also done is I also put a little bit around the light housing, so when it attach to the housing up there, it will give a good seal. And that's it. Everything's back together, and it's held down by one Phillips head screw, and it has a clamp in the back. It's gonna be nice and sealed, and no more issues with the rain, water. All right. If you like this content, like and subscribe. Thank you.